All right, I'm back with another deal video here on HomeDepot.com, daily deals that they are doing for today only, February 16th, 2026. And I hope everyone had a great weekend, and today is President's Day, so happy President's Day to everyone in the U.S. All right, I'm going to start off here with the deals. So they have some DeWalt ones, they have Ryobi and Rigid and Milwaukee, so they have a little bit of everything today. So I'm going to go over some of the top ones here to consider, and I will have links in the description below to some of these deals. And if you don't see the one you want, you could still click on a link and then find the item you want. They would be affiliate links, and it won't cost you any more money, but I do appreciate that support. All right, the first deal here is on the DeWalt 20-volt 6-tool combo kit. It does include the Tough System 2.0 case with that for $549. That's saving $200. That's 27% off. Now, we've seen deals like this in the past, and I think we've seen it as low as maybe $499. This next one on the grease gun is not so much of a great deal. You're only saving 4%, so I'd probably pass on that unless you need one. They do have a 4-tool combo kit by DeWalt 20-volt. It does have two 4-amp-hour batteries with that for $439. That is a decent deal on that for 4 tools for that price. It is saving 12% on that though. And they do have the DeWalt 10-tool cordless combo kit. Now, just so you know up front that a lot of these are brushed tools. They do have a couple brushless in the mix in there. That's $820. I would actually pass on that one. All right, the next deal is on the Ryobi 3-pack of batteries here. It has 2 6-amp-hour ones and 1 4-amp-hour one for the $159. So it basically comes to $53 per battery. That is a decent deal there. That's saving 47% on that. The next deal is on the Ryobi 10-inch sliding compound miter saw with a 4-amp-hour battery and charger for the $349. That's saving $50. And they have a decent savings on this Ryobi. It's called the Camper's Kit. So it has the area light, Bluetooth speaker, the clamp fan, 1 battery, and the charger for $65. That's saving $68. That's 51% off. Obviously, if you're purchasing everything separate, that's how they price it. And they brought back the same deal they've had for the previous few weeks on the 18-volt Whisper Series fan with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger for $60. So that's the one you could plug in an extension cord to power it, or the 18-volt battery. All right, we'll get into some Milwaukee deals next here. So they have a 2-tool combo kit with a 1/4-inch narrow crown stapler with a 7/4-inch circular saw for the $394. That's saving 36%. And they have a 3-tool combo kit here with the different impact wrenches. So they have the high torque wrench, which is a 1/2-inch one. They're also putting in a 3/8 mid torque as well as a 1/2-inch mid torque for the $489. It is saving 42% on that. So if you're looking to get a 3-pack of different torque wrenches, that might be a decent pickup. All right, this next one you definitely need to skip, because I'll show you why a little bit later on this 2-battery pack with the 2 Forge batteries and the charger. It's gonna be a better deal coming up, which is always good to pay attention to some of these deals that they do have, because there's gonna be sometimes they mix things up and then you can select the wrong item and end up paying more than what you should be. All right, the next deal is on the Milwaukee SDS Plus rotary hammer with the Forge 8.0 battery and a rapid charger for the $419. That is saving $230. That is 35% off. That's pretty decent. We'll get into a few Rigid options. For $79, you can get a 2-amp-hour battery and a 175-watt power inverter for those $79. All right, the next Rigid deal is going to be on the 18-volt 1/2-inch ratchet kit with a 2-amp-hour max output battery and charger. So that is their newer battery. From my understanding, it's that max output battery, and it's $149. That is saving $100. That's 40% off there. All right, the next Rigid deal is going to be on the 8-tool combo kit with 2-amp-hour battery and a 4-amp-hour battery and charger for the $449, saving $150 on that. 25% off. It looks like a decent all-around kit right there. 8 tools for the $449. That's a pretty decent deal. All right, so here's the other deal that I was mentioning to wait for on that other one for this Milwaukee battery deal on the 1 12-amp-hour and 1 8-amp-hour Forge batteries for the $279. That's saving $240. That's 46% off. Now, last week they had a similar deal to this, but it was $10 cheaper last week. So it was at $269. But it's without a doubt better than this other one they have here for $399. And that's basically the same package. It even includes the rapid charger with that. They just have different pictures, so I don't know really what the difference is between the two, but obviously make sure you opt for the correct one. That way you have additional $120 in savings. All right, the next deal is on the Milwaukee M18. It is the Super Sawzall with the Forge 8.0 battery for $259. We've seen this deal in the past, as well as in the stores. They brought it back again. And the same thing goes for the drill driver, which is the hammer drill. 2 5-amp-hour batteries and a Forge 8.0 battery for the $309. That's saving $240. And if you're looking to get the Tower Light with a Forge 12.0 battery for $359, that's what their deal is today for saving $160. I know they've raised the price on that Tower Light to like around $250, I think, because for the longest time it was priced at, I think, just under $200. So I guess technically it is a decent savings, considering that's a 12.0 Forge battery. All right, next deal is on the Ryobi 9-tool combo kit. And this one does include a couple of yard tools like the blower and little string trimmer. So if you're looking for like a little one and done kind of homeowner kit, this might be the one to go for. It is only $329. That's saving $315, which is 49% off. It does include one 5 amp hour battery and one 4 amp hour one. It even has like a little one-hand vacuum right there as well. All right, and they have brought back another deal with the Ryobi 3-pack of the different lights they have for $99, saving $20. They have a 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries by Ryobi 18 volt for $129. That is $64 per battery. And they have a deal on the Ryobi 18 gauge cordless airstrike brad nailer with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for the $139. This is a decent deal because like in the stores, well, during the holiday times, they did have a deal on the airstrike nailer. I think it was like $89, but that was tool only. And I think the normal price is around $129. So right now it is a good deal getting that battery and charger with that. And here's another good Milwaukee deal. It's the M12. It's a 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries, as well as a high output 5 amp hour battery for the $139. That's actually a really great deal because the price of the 5 amp hour high output battery by itself is $129. And obviously to get the 3 batteries for that price, basically an extra $10, that's an awesome deal. That is saving $109. That's 44% off. So if you need some batteries, I would recommend picking those up. Those are all great batteries there. And the next deal is on the Milwaukee M18. It is a 2-tool combo kit with the mid-torque 1/2-inch impact wrench, as well as a 3/8 ratchet of the M12. And it does have 2 of the M18 batteries, which is a 5 amp hour one and a high output 6 amp hour one. And it looks like one of the 2.5 amp hour high output batteries for the M12. That's $479. That's saving $260. That's 35% off. Then another Milwaukee option, they have the 5-tool combo kit with 2 5 amp hour batteries. Looks like they're also putting in the radio as well. For the $749, that's saving $340. That's 31% off. And they have a deal on the Rigid 6.5-inch track saw. It does have a track saw included, it looks like. I'm not sure the size. Let's see. It's 2 of the 27.5-inch track sections. It also includes 2 connector bars and a track clamp. So that's actually pretty decent. And it has the 2 4 amp hour batteries in a bag. For the $528, that's saving $198. That's 27% off. I'd be interested to know how that one is compared to other track saws. All right, the next deal is on a Ryobi one. It's the 8-tool combo kit with 2 4.0 batteries and one 1.5 amp hour battery, a couple bags, and a charger. Again, this would be another decent kit right here for the $329, saving $200. That's 38% off. And it looks like another kind of one and done kind of kit. If you're looking to get into the Ryobi platform, that's actually a pretty good deal for the $329. And they do have other Ryobi options here for the $159 each of these different tool combinations. And then each of these combo kits here do mention that they're saving 43% on each of them, so $119 off. So some decent deals there from Ryobi. And they have other Milwaukee options here with the 6.5-inch circular saw with a 6.0 high output battery for $199. That's a decent deal there. That's saving $220. That's 53% off. Same thing goes for the random orbit sander, which is a newer one that they released this last year. Also paired with a 6 amp hour battery for the $199, saving $220. Again, it's a great deal on that. And even this one is a good deal on the DA polisher with a 6 amp hour battery for $299. That's saving $240. Then they have a 4.5-inch / 5-inch braking grinder with a 6 amp hour battery for the $239, saving $230. That's another good deal as well. It's 49% off. And they do have some rigid deals here on different combinations of batteries and then tools. Now, I'm not sure if these are good deals. I haven't been following too closely to the rigid ones with these new max output batteries that they came out with. But this one is the 8 amp hour one with this tool, the rotary hammer for $299, saving $100. And then you could go with a 4-pack of the 6 amp hour max output batteries for $278, saving $260. All right, then the next deal is on a 2-pack of the 6 amp hour max output batteries with the oscillating tool for $288. So if you guys happen to have any experience with these newer rigid tools with the batteries, be sure to leave a comment below since I'm not familiar with them. To me, it seems kind of expensive, but if the batteries make it worth it that price or not, I'm not sure. So you can help us out, help the community out by leaving a comment with your experience and how good or not good they are. And the next deal's on a D-handle jigsaw with 2 of the max output 6 amp hour batteries for $328, saving $130. So again, I think those are kind of getting pricey with them, but maybe the batteries make it worth it. And they do have the rigid 18-volt inflator with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for the $99. That's saving $40. Then they have a 4-mode half-inch high torque impact wrench kit with 2 4 amp hour batteries and the charger for $199. That's a pretty good deal on that one. That's saving $358. That's 64% off. Then they have a 2-tool combo kit with a nailer and the half-inch high torque impact wrench for $388, saving 50%. And again, they have another option here with the half-inch impact wrench as well as a ratchet combination here and 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries for $328. That's saving $428. That's 57% off. And other options here from Milwaukee. I think the same deal they have in the stores right now actually, no, I'm wrong on that. So in the store right now, I think they have it for $199, the 1 5 amp hour battery and charger, and you have your option of a free tool. So at least today you are saving an additional $20 on this oscillating tool, which that is not the fuel one, just so you're aware of. And the next deal is on the Milwaukee M18. It is the compact bandsaw with a 6 amp hour high output battery for $299. That's saving $243, 45% off. Then they have another combination set here with the Sawzall and 5 amp hour battery charger and the shop vac. That's $329, saving $190. 37% off. All right, next deal is on the Milwaukee 1 3/4 inch SDS Max rotary hammer. That's rated at 7 amp and a 4.5 inch small angle grinder for the $599, saving almost $200. They have a few other Ryobi options here. For $79, a 2-tool combo kit with a circular saw and D-handle jigsaw. That's pretty decent. That's saving $49, 38%. They have a charger for the USB 2.0 batteries, 3-port charger for $50, saving $30. They have the Ryobi 18-volt reciprocating saw kit with a 4 amp hour edge battery for $169, saving $30. They have another forged battery option with the 8.0 battery paired with the fuel 4.5 inch / 6 inch grinder. That's for $279, saving $220. That's a decent deal on that one. And they have another Milwaukee deal for $599 is the mid-torque half-inch impact wrench with a ratchet, 2 of the M18 batteries, and 1 high-output M12 battery for $599, saving $100. I think there was a better deal up above. In fact, let me go see if there was. Yeah, better deal here for the $479, and that one you're getting a high-output battery. So obviously pay attention to what deal you're going to go for because they can trick you with what they're offering here. And then they had the job site fan here by Milwaukee for $109, saving $40. And a few other rigid options, 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries, D-handle jigsaw, and the router for $258, saving only $20. That barely covers sales tax. And they do have a deal. This is a good one on the 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries and charger with bag for $79. That's saving $198. That's 71% off. I think it's a good deal though. 2 4 amp hour batteries for that price. It's pretty good. And then the next deal is on a mechanics tool set. I believe this is the same one, or at least very similar to the one that they have during the holiday time in the stores for Black Friday for that $99. So they have it here today that is saving $100, which is 50% off. It's a 280 piece in both SAE and metric, and a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive sockets. This is everything that it comes with here. So 65 standard sockets, 24 deep sockets, has adapters and extensions. It has even bit sockets too, 30 of them, as well as 8 wrenches and 146 miscellaneous pieces. So they fill it up with a bunch of filler bits. And they do have some Milwaukee deals on different ratchets and wrenches and sockets. So you definitely have some options here today. I'm going to go quickly over them so we won't make this video way too long for you guys. And you can certainly take a look at the screen here. So this one here they had in the store, at my store at least, currently on clearance for $42. This 1/4 inch drive ratchet and socket mechanics tool set. So maybe check your store, see if they happen to have that available. I know it is hit or miss with the stores and their clearance items. And they have a 4-tool USB tool kit by Ryobi for $119. That's saving $136. So you see the different tools they have with the USB powered batteries. They have the Ryobi 1/2 inch metric deep impact socket set, 11 piece for $28. That's saving $17. They have a combination kit here with from Milwaukee with a 3/8 drive SAE and metric mechanics tool set, 62 pieces with the pack out 3-drawer toolbox, as well as some screwdrivers for the $279. That's saving $98. That's 26% off. And they have some flex head ratcheting sets by Milwaukee. They have different options here. One's a $229, saving $100. That's 31% off. And that is for the metric. And the SAE one is $234, saving $95, 29% off. I think they have a deal on where you can get the two of them together for $459, saving 23%, $140. That seems like about the same price. Another combination set of the wrenches and sockets. It says SAE and metric ratchet and sockets, but the wrench set is SAE, so be aware of that. It's not both of them. For the $159, saving $60. They have a 2-level pack here from Milwaukee. It's a 24-inch and 48-inch red stick box level set for $140, saving $60. And they have a Torx precision screwdriver set by Milwaukee, 6-piece set for $24. That's saving only $6. That is 20% off though. They have a decent savings on the Raptor square, the 7-inch one with a 16-inch by 24-inch aluminum framing square for the $35. That's saving $15. These are quality items. I have both of them. They're awesome. They have a couple hammers paired together here, a 2-pound and a 3-pound fiberglass drilling hammer for $32, saving $10. And they have another level option here from Milwaukee. It's a 24-inch and 48-inch, as well as a 10-inch torpedo level for $169, saving $60. And they have a couple of Milwaukee locking plier set, 2-piece, 7-inch and 10-inch ones for $24, saving $10. They have a hammer and pry bar set for $40, saving almost $12. That's 23% off. They have a 2-pack of the 7-inch Raptor square for $30, saving almost $10, which I know in the stores, yeah, they do have those priced at $20 individually. So it was definitely time to get those during the holiday deals. And even my last video where I showed they were on clearance for the 7-inch Raptor square, as well as the 4-inch trim square on clearance for $11, which is an insane deal on that. And they have a Husky 2-pack of the torpedo level and 24-inch aluminum level for almost $14 there. And they have a DeWalt 20-volt crossline laser level with a 2-amp-hour battery charger and case for the $379, saving $158. That is decent savings on that one. Another rigid option is a 360-degree aerial work light with a 4-amp-hour battery, and that's for $129, saving $109. That's 46% off. And they have another laser level option by Hoto. It's a 50-foot 3-plane laser for $135, saving $34. And they have this gear wrench 3/8 drive, 72 6-point SAE and metric mechanics hand tool set. It is 54 pieces for $74. That's saving $24. This actually looks like it'd be a decent kit for like a car or truck to have in a vehicle, to have these different tools and wrenches and sockets at the ready. And it looks like it has a nice zippered case here, and it keeps everything organized of the different deep well sockets, regular sockets, as well as wrenches. And then the ratchet. And that is by Gear Wrench, 54-piece for $73.49. All right, that's going to cover the deals for today only, which is February 16th. If you gained any value from it, I would appreciate it that you do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video to help spread the word to other deal enthusiasts. I really do appreciate you watching, and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.